Welcome to this video on how to use a Rakuten affiliate marketing platform. In this video, we're going to look at how you set up offers. To find out more about the Affiliate Marketing Advisor, you can pause the video here. Certain elements of this guide have been redacted. What you want to do is navigate on the main dashboard to the Offers tab, and then that will bring up the 4 options in the Offers menu. The main thing you'll want to be using is the main offers, where you can create a new offer. And what this does is allows you to offer certain commission rates or cost per click rates to affiliates. So for example, you can see under offer name, where we've got the redacted elements, that a 3% CPA offer has been set up twice. And then at the very bottom, there's a 4% CPA offer. And this has been extended to certain affiliates. You can see the start and end date there. And you can, in the publishers column, if you click view, you can see which affiliates that's been offered to. So in a nutshell, what you want to do is click on create new offer, and then you'll be able to create an offer. But what this is this main offers menu here. You can actually do other things that I'm going to go into. So you can create an offer here, you can create a new special offer, and you can also have a review of all the offers to all the CPAs that you have. You can edit the filters, and you can also edit the offer active box as well. And you can basically have different views of offers. So maybe you want to see only expired offers. You can adjust the filters to do that. Or maybe you want to see only upcoming offers, and you can change the filters to do that as well. And this is probably like the main window you're going to use for the setting up of any offers. You can also use this when you're creating a new offer to send it to an affiliate that's not currently on your program. So you can send it, you can basically use it to invite affiliates. So maybe an affiliate you're already in talks with. You can basically, as long as you have their ID or their name, you can basically send them an offer which they can accept, which will then get them onto your program. It's useful if, say, you've negotiated a 10% CPA and your standard program CPA is 5%. Rather than having to approve them and then giving them 10%, you can just give them 10% straight away. Just saves you a bit of time. So again, as I alluded to, when you create an offer, this menu will come up. You just work your way from points 1 to 5. You give the offer a name. You can add any comments. So for example, it could be that you negotiate an offer for certain media. It's just something that you want to keep a note for internally. The time zone can be set, the start and end date, the offer type as well. So if it's an offer that's going out to just one affiliate, then you typically want to make it private. Public offer is what you set for your default program commission. Typically, you only really have one public offer, and the rest of your offers are based on like individual negotiations. So those will be private. You can set what offers apply to or products, everything in certain SKUs or through dynamic commissioning if you set up commissioning lists, which will be explained. You can also set the cookie window. So this is a period in which once someone clicks on a link, once someone clicks on the link relating to that offer, how long that cookie will track for. So here it's set to 35 days, but you can change it like to whatever you've negotiated with the affiliate. And then there's the auto renew offers if you want to keep it going after it expires, and then true lock. So that works in conjunction with the return days cookie window. So it will basically limit the trackable period for that cookie window. So if you only want to track for 10 days, then make sure you set the return window for 10 and then apply the true lock. The baseline offer is basically your default commission offering. So in this example, it's been set at 8%. As you can see, the type is public, return days at 35, and it's true lock, so it's capped at 35 days. You can see there are 27 affiliates that are participating in just the default offer for the program. And then the other affiliates that are on the program all have special negotiated rates. I mean, typically you want all affiliates on specially negotiated rates because you always want to leverage commission rates for media that you'd otherwise have to pay for. But yeah, like with some affiliates, you may not be able to negotiate anything, so they can just opt to work on the default rate. And it's up to you what you set your commission rates at. There's no right or wrong answers for this. It just depends on your needs as a business and what you're trying to accomplish. So special offers are just offers that just sort of sit outside of the core offer offering, and you can set these up maybe you want them on a particular SKU list. As you can see, applies to it's limited by SKUs or by dynamic commissioning. It's typically if you're trying to achieve a specific aim, such as to sell specific SKUs or whatever you've got applied for dynamic commissioning. And then for commission lists, again, this is where dynamic commissioning comes in. You can basically set different commission groups. In this example, I've put like the product name and then I've called the list name product. So you could upload a list of certain products that you want to set different commissions to. So if you're a retailer and you have a lot of SKUs or different products, and it doesn't make sense to give them all the same commission rate, you could, so for example, if you're selling a certain type of television, they could have a particular commission rate versus what fridges would have versus what lamps would have, for example. So that's all. I'd appreciate if you could like, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if you have any questions.